Hi, I'm Jana, a Principal Tax Research Analyst at H&R Block. Today, we're covering how you get a tax deduction on medical expenses. Taxes can get complex, so it's no surprise people have questions like, are medical expenses tax deductible? Or, can you claim medical bills on taxes? The answer is yes. You can get a medical expense deduction on your taxes when these two things are true. First, you itemize your deductions, and second, you have unreimbursed expenses that are more than 7.5% over your adjusted gross income. Let's go step by step to figure out how to write off medical expenses. First, add up your deductible medical expenses. This can be any cost for diagnosis, cure, mitigation, treatment, or prevention of any medical condition. Plus, it also includes any equipment, supplies, or diagnostic devices for these conditions. Your deduction for medical expenses can be for an array of practitioners, like chiropractors, dentists, eye doctors, physical therapists, psychologists, and more. Other items that are eligible for the medical expense tax deduction include certain transportation expenses, such as those incurred to and from care, prescriptions, and Medicare supplements. Take note, it's not just your care that allows you to claim a tax deduction on medical expenses. You can also deduct medical expenses for anyone who qualifies as your spouse or dependent when the service was provided or when the bill was paid. Want to learn more? Get the full download on the medical expenses tax deduction and info from IRS Publication 502 at hrblock.com.